Every year, millions of liters of hazardous chemicals are stored in massive tanks across refineries and petrochemical plants. But what happens if one of those tanks fails? The risk isn't just financial, it's environmental damage, safety hazards, and costly regulatory penalties. The good news is, there's a proven way to stop spills before they spread. Secondary containment is the last line of defense. Think of it as a giant bathtub around your tank. If the tank leaks, the liquid stays inside the basin instead of reaching soil, rivers, or groundwater. Regulations like the US EPA's SPCC rules require these containment areas to be strong and impervious enough to hold spills safely. But here's the problem. Raw concrete isn't enough. Concrete may look solid, but it's actually porous, like a sponge. Acids, fuels, and aggressive solvents can seep in, crack it, and even corrode the steel inside. Over time, containment walls can crumble, turning a supposed safety system into a weak spot. That's where epoxy coatings come in. Epoxies form a dense, impermeable barrier that seals concrete and blocks chemical attack. Unlike regular paint, industrial epoxies are engineered for extreme durability. High cross-link density for chemical resistance, flexibility to handle concrete expansion and contraction, and sometimes fillers like glass flakes for extra abrasion protection. This invisible armor means your containment can withstand acids, fuels, and solvents without cracking, blistering, or peeling. Facilities around the world rely on epoxy-lined secondary containment. In fact, some refineries have avoided catastrophic environmental fines because their containment systems held strong during unexpected leaks. The benefits are clear. Reduced downtime because repairs are rare, easier compliance with EPA and international standards, and most importantly, protection for workers, equipment, and the environment. Think of it like this. Bare concrete is like wearing a sweater in the rain. It soaks everything in. Epoxy is the raincoat that keeps you dry. You've probably seen a smaller version at home. Garage floor coatings, waterproof grout between your tiles, or even protective finishes on countertops. In petrochemical plants, the stakes are much higher, but the principle is the same. Stop absorption, protect the surface, save what matters most. In today's petrochemical industry, failure is not an option. High-performance epoxy coatings for secondary containment aren't just about compliance. They're about peace of mind. Because when the stakes are this high, you need a solution you can trust.